If you're looking for a table fan that combines style, functionality, and cooling efficiency, you're in the right place. Whether you're seeking a quiet companion for your workspace, a portable option for travel, or a powerful fan to keep your room cool, our top picks for 2025 have got you covered. Let's dive into the best table fans of the year, designed to offer you optimal cooling comfort and versatility. Number 1. Honeywell HT904 TurboForce Fan. Quiet, personal table fan. The Honeywell HT904 TurboForce Fan is a compact yet powerful table fan designed to keep you cool without disrupting your work or sleep. With its aerodynamic TurboForce design, this fan delivers a powerful airflow that can be felt up to 27 feet away. Its small footprint makes it an ideal choice for personal use, fitting easily on your desk or nightstand without taking up too much space. The design of the HT904 is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. It features a 90-degree pivoting head that allows you to direct the airflow precisely where you need it. This flexibility makes it perfect for cooling small spaces or providing targeted airflow while you work or relax. The fan's 3-speed settings give you control over the intensity of the cooling, ensuring you stay comfortable in any temperature. Quality is a hallmark of the Honeywell brand, and the HT904 is no exception. Built to last, it offers a durable construction that can withstand daily use. The fan operates quietly, making it an excellent choice for environments where noise can be a distraction.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Gaiatop USB Desk Fan. 3 speeds, 90 degrees rotate, portable. The Gaiatop USB Desk Fan is a modern and versatile table fan designed for those who need a portable and efficient cooling solution. This fan is compact, making it perfect for use in tight spaces, such as office desks, bedside tables, or even during travel. Powered by USB, it's compatible with various devices, including laptops, power banks, and adapters, offering flexibility in how and where you use it. In terms of design, the Gaiatop fan is sleek and minimalist, with a sturdy build that ensures longevity. Its 90-degree rotation feature allows you to adjust the direction of airflow with ease, providing targeted cooling wherever you need it most. The fan also comes with 3 different speed settings, allowing you to customize the airflow intensity to suit your comfort level. The Gaiatop USB Desk Fan is known for its quiet operation, making it an ideal choice for quiet environments such as libraries, offices, or bedrooms. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive cooling power, helping you stay comfortable during hot days. Its portability is one of its strongest features, as it's lightweight and easy to carry around, making it an excellent choice for people on the go. Number 3. Dreo 13-inch Oscillating Table Fan. Quiet, remote-controlled. The Dreo 13-inch Oscillating Table Fan is a feature-packed cooling solution that combines advanced technology with sleek design. This fan is ideal for those who want a blend of style, convenience, and powerful airflow. Standing at 13 inches, it's large enough to cool a room but compact enough to fit comfortably on a table or desk. Its oscillating feature ensures that cool air is distributed evenly throughout the room, providing comprehensive comfort. Design-wise, the Dreo fan is modern and stylish, with a black finish that complements any decor. It's equipped with a remote control, allowing you to adjust the settings without having to leave your seat. This added convenience is perfect for those lazy summer days when you just want to relax and enjoy a cool breeze. The fan operates quietly, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, or any space where noise might be a concern. Quality and durability are key aspects of the Dreo fan. It's built to last with sturdy materials that can withstand daily use. The oscillating feature is smooth and reliable, ensuring that the fan covers a wide area as it moves from side to side. The Dreo fan also comes with multiple speed settings, giving you the flexibility to choose the level of cooling that best suits your needs. It's a top pick for anyone looking for a versatile and effective table fan. Number 4. Holmes 12 Table Fan. 75 degrees oscillation, 3 speeds. The Holmes 12 Table Fan is a classic choice for those seeking a reliable and straightforward cooling solution. This fan is designed to provide powerful airflow, making it ideal for larger rooms or areas that require more intensive cooling. Its 12-inch blades are capable of moving a significant amount of air, ensuring that your space stays cool and comfortable, even on the hottest days. When it comes to design, the Holmes fan is both practical and functional. It features a 75-degree oscillation, which helps distribute air evenly throughout the room. The fan's head can also be tilted to direct the airflow precisely where it's needed, giving you complete control over your cooling experience. With 3-speed settings, you can easily adjust the fan's power to match your comfort level. Quality is a standout feature of the Holmes brand, and this table fan is no exception. It's built with durable materials that ensure long-lasting performance, even with regular use. The fan is easy to assemble and operate, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. Number 5. Beskar USB Desk Fan. Portable, 360 degrees rotate, 3 speeds. The Beskar USB Desk Fan is a compact and portable option that doesn't compromise on power. Designed for personal use, this fan is perfect for those who need a reliable cooling solution that can be easily moved from one place to another. Its small size makes it ideal for use on desks, nightstands, or even when traveling, while its USB power design ensures it's compatible with various power sources, including laptops, power banks, and USB adapters. The design of the Beskar fan is simple yet effective. It features a 360-degree rotation capability, allowing you to adjust the direction of the airflow to any angle you prefer. This flexibility is perfect for creating a customized cooling experience, whether you're at work or relaxing at home. The fan also comes with 3 speed settings, giving you the option to choose the level of airflow that best suits your needs. Number 6. Shinic 10-box fan. Quiet, 2 speeds, portable. The Shinic 10-box fan is a versatile and compact cooling solution designed to provide effective airflow in small to medium-sized spaces. This fan is perfect for those who need a quiet and portable fan that can be easily moved from room to room. Its box fan design is classic and practical, ensuring that it can fit comfortably in a variety of settings, from your bedroom to your office. Design-wise, the Shinic fan is simple and functional. It features a 10-inch blade that delivers a steady stream of air, helping to cool your space quickly and efficiently. The fan operates quietly, making it a great choice for environments where peace and quiet are essential. With 2 speed settings, you can easily adjust the airflow to match your comfort level, whether you need a gentle breeze or a more powerful blast of air. Number 7. Pelonis 7-inch Air Circulator Fan. 3 speeds, adjustable tilt. The Pelonis 7-inch Air Circulator Fan is a powerful and compact table fan designed to keep you cool and comfortable. Despite its small size, this fan is capable of delivering impressive airflow, making it an ideal choice for personal use in a variety of settings, from your home office to your bedroom. Its compact design allows it to fit easily on a desk or table, while its lightweight build makes it easy to move around as needed. The design of the Pelonis fan is both sleek and functional. It features an adjustable tilt mechanism that allows you to direct the airflow exactly where you need it. This flexibility ensures that you can create a customized cooling experience, whether you're sitting at your desk or relaxing in bed. The fan also comes with 3 speed settings, giving you the ability to choose the intensity of the airflow based on your preferences. With these top picks for 2025, you're sure to find a table fan that meets your needs for cooling comfort. Whether you need a quiet fan for your workspace, a portable option for travel, or a powerful device to keep your room cool, there's something here for everyone. Stay cool and comfortable with these reliable and effective table fans, designed to offer the best in convenience and performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more top product reviews.